that we have written down, we must follow the steps below. Step number 1, make a grid for your given numbers. Write it down. You're not here to stare. Maybe we should start adding starer to some people's name. Because if that was an Olympic game, some people would be gold medalists. Right. Make a grid for the given numbers. Start with the smallest possible prime number and use it to divide any of the given numbers. Until you can't use it anymore. Ditch that prime number that I've used and check the next.
Whoa. What is
Joseph.
Yes.
Did you raise up your hand?
No.
I'm about to put you in my pocket and you will stay there for a whole week. You don't want to be in my pocket, do you?
No.
Good. Thank you, my love. I know these steps may not make sense to you yet, but when I start using it, you will see it will make sense. First one says, make a grid for the given number. We make a grid. Start with the smallest possible prime number and use it to divide any of the given number until you can't use it anymore. And if you can't use it anymore, what do? You ditch it. You ditch it, you throw it in the bin. Why? Because we cannot use it anymore. And then what do? We check the next prime number and see, oh, can we use the next prime number? Yes. If yes, we'll continue to use that one. Use until we cannot use it anymore. And then we'll ditch it. Yeah. But if we can't use that next prime number, if we can't use it, do we need it? No. Where do we throw it? In the bin. Ditch it. And then we'll move on to the next one. We must stop when all the number has been, when all the numbers have been reduced once. You see these 6 steps magic? That is what we use. Copy it down, read it again. Let me know when you're done writing and read over it to make sure you understand exactly what it means. Are we done?
No.
No.
Yes, Cameron, you raised up your hand. What is it?
I finished writing and I read it again.
Good. That's my boy. Well done. Farida, have you finished writing as well?
Yes.
Good. That's very good. Let's be quick. Let's be quick. Then I will start doing some examples. We'll try 3 examples together, and then I will let you do one by yourself. And then we'll try one more example, then I will let you do some by yourself. Make sense? But guess what? Every week now, you will be getting LCM tasks until they become what? Second nature. You see the way you look at me, and you know my name is Uncle Sean. You look at numbers like this, and you know they are LCM straight away. And guess what will help you? Rule of
Divisibility, so we have to learn them all by heart.
good. That's my help. Yes, me.
I'm finished writing.
Okay. If you're still writing, raise up your hand. Let me know how many people are still writing. Okay, let's be quick. Those of you that are still writing, yeah, good. Those of you that finished writing, try and write all the factors of 36. Those of you that are still writing, just once you finish writing, stop writing. But those that have finished writing, write down the factors of 36, all of them. Don't just write 1 and 36. So, don't be a bushman or a bushwoman. Let's be quick. I need to text the parents of those that are staying behind. Yes, Farida?
I'm done writing the factors of 36.
How many do you have there? Don't tell me the numbers, but tell me how many do you have
5.
there? 5. Then you're wrong. There's still more. Yes, you finished writing? Then read over your work if you finished writing. Cameron, have you finished writing now?
Yeah, I finished writing the factors of 36.
Okay. How many did you have there?
7.
10.
You should have 8. Think more about it. That means you haven't finished. Think more. Yes. Yes. Fadila, don't be
Oh,
shy.
he said 7 though.
Did he 7? Did I say 7?
Yeah,
Did I
you
say-
did.
No, it was Cameron that said 7. And see, are you missing my voice and Cameron's voice together now?
No, cool.
Oh, I said 7.
Yeah, you said 7.
Okay, let me count. No, it should be 8. Sorry. My apologies, Madam Fadila.
Wait, how much should there be?
8.
Oh.
Who just asked without raising up their hand? Bushwoman.
Hey.
All right, let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Let's move on. She got 9. She got 10. I got 11. Well, you've not finished copying. Oh, then we're gonna have to move on because we're not gonna wait forever. Better quickly, right? Quick. So for those of you that did factors of 36, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. Actually, yeah, you're right, it should be 9. 6, 9. Then we have what? 12. Then we have what? We have 18. And then we have what? 36. That's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
He said 8.
Yeah.
Wait, you said 7, then he said 8, and now you're saying 9.
Yeah, and very soon I'm gonna say 20. Oh my God, what's oh my God? Did you even do it? Okay, how many did you get down? 9. Good, happy days. So what's the oh my God part of it? So did you cancel it? 8, then 10, then 11, then 12. Come on. All right, I hope that everyone has finished copying down. Has everyone finished copying down?
Yeah.
Okay, those that haven't finished copying down, you need to leave space and finish copying it in when you're watching the video back at home. Because we need to move on. Now, let's take an example. Like I said, we're going to take a few examples and then I will let you do yours by yourself. So it's find the LCM. Resting position, everyone. This is not writing time. Resting position. Find the LCM of the first one. We have 6, 4, and 9. So step 1 says what? Make a grid for the given numbers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a grid. How many numbers have I got?
3.
3. That means I need 4 lines. If you have 4 numbers, how many lines do you need?
5.
5. You always need 1 more vertical line than the number that you have. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. And good. So what are we going to do? We'll put 6 in the first what? In the first column. We put 4 in the second what? Column. And we put 9 in the what? And the third column. Raise up your hand if you understand what we've done so far. Raise up your hand if you understand what we've done so far. Okay. Naomi, you don't understand what we've done. Read the first step. What does the first step say, Naomi?
Make a grid for your given numbers.
What are the given numbers?
6, 4, and 9.
What have we just done, Naomi?
Oh, you have to put them in the grid.
Ah, you see now. What do we follow, guys? We follow the
Instructions.
Now, I said start with the smallest possible what?
Number.
No, smallest possible what?
Prime number.
Let's try and remember the prime numbers together. Yeah. Whenever I'm doing this, I always write the prime number on the side. Rest in position, rest in position, rest in position. Why do I write the prime number on the side? To help me remember. So let me write them. 2, 3. If you want to join me, you can. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11,
11,
13, 17, and 19.
19.
So I will stop. The truth of the matter is, you wouldn't need 17 and 19 at this level. You only need it when you get to year 6. Okay, yes. Oh, you can't see. Oh, you don't want to see their faces. Oh, oh, she don't want to see their faces. Oh,
that's cruel.
Padilla, you raise up your hand. You're a bush woman. Let's move on, guys. So, what did we say we are going to do? We'll start with the smallest. Which one is the smallest prime number?
4.
Prime number.
2.
6. 9. No.
Are you guys actually paying attention to what we're doing? You're just shouting out numbers. Naomi, and that's not funny. Pay attention. These are the prime numbers. Which one is the smallest among them, guys?
2.
2. So what we must do, yeah, is say start with the smallest prime number and use it to divide any given number until you cannot use it anymore. It is possible that we cannot use 2, that 2 cannot even divide any of the numbers. I said rest in position, Jojo. Can 2 divide any of the numbers? Any. That's the key word there, any. Because if 2 can divide just one of the number, we will use it. If 3 can divide one of the numbers, when we get to 3, we will use it. But if it cannot divide any of the number, what do? We ditch it.
Both of it.
Yeah, we dispose of it. We put it in the bin. Can we use 2, guys?
No.
Why not? Can 6 divide? We didn't say all, we said any. Can any of these numbers that we are given, 6, 4, and 9, be divisible by 2? Yes. So that means we can use what? 2. So let's start using 2. I will put 2 on the outside. Can you see? Oh, by the way, let me say something to you to help me. You see the outside part, I always put a box in it. That is to remind me that what I have in the outside part are the prime. Let me put a red box. No, let me put a blue box. That will help. You know, yes, my love.
The prime numbers are in green, so shouldn't we do it in green?
No, I just want that box. It's the box. I want. Okay, yeah. I will write them in green, but the box, I'm going to make it blue. Because blue is my favorite color. But different shade of green anyway. So we said we can use 2, right? You guys agree with me that we can use 2?
Yeah.
Naomi, can we use 2?
Yeah.
Because even though 9 is not divisible by 2, but the others are divisible by 2. So let's go. 6 divided by 2. Is it possible? How many 2 can we get in 6?
4.
8. Aiden, how many 6 can we get? How many 2 can we get in 6? 6 divided by 2 is what, Aiden? 3. Thank you, Aiden. What about 4? 4 divided by 2, Joseph, is what?
1. Like 1, 2.
Do your 2 times table.
2.
2. And then 9 divided by 2. Is that possible without a reminder? Is that possible without a reminder?
No.
Now let's go to step 5. What does it say? Remember that if we cannot divide a number, what do we do to it each time? No, moving down. So what are we going to do to 9? We'll move it to the next level. Is that clear to everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start again. Do you understand why we're dividing by 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Michael?
I really does.
Yes, you can. Then we divide the ones that we can divide by 2 by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. 4 divided by 2 is what?
2.
Don't forget, we are only dividing the ones that we can divide without remainder. 9 divided by 2 is what? Remainder. So if we can't do it because it has a remainder, what did we say we should move?
We move it down.
Oh, just done, isn't it? So do you understand now? Thank you. Raise up your hand if you understand what we've done so far. Okay, Mo, you don't understand. I can't hear you. If you want to stop, please open your mouth. What does the rule say we should do? Can we divide 9 by 2, Mo? So if we can't divide it, should we just throw it away? No. So what should we do? You bring it to the next what? Level. Does that make sense? That's the rule. What we're doing is following the rule. And the reason why we're doing that is so that later we will find a number that can divide it. Does that make sense?
Yes, Uncle.
Right? It's like when your parents buy you new pencils and you still have a pencil that you're using. Are you going to throw the new pencil in the bin?
No.
No. You will keep it. Oh, someone said yes.
Waste of money.
You will keep it until you are able to what? To use the pencil. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, Uncle.
All right, good. So we go on to the next level. Let's check again. Can we divide any of those numbers in the next level by 2? Any. The question is any.
Yes.
Can we divide any one of them by 2?
Yes.
Which one can we divide by 2, Eden Grace?
2.
2. So that means we can still use what? 2. So we write 2 there. 3 divided by 2, is that possible?
No.
What do we do to it? We move it to the next.
Level.
Move it down to the next level. 2 divided by 2, what would that give me?
1.
2 divided by 2, what would that give me?
1.
Joshua, 2 divided by 2, what would that give me? 1. What about 9? 9 divided by 2, is that possible?
No.
What do we do, Amy, to that 9?
Pull it down.
Are you Amy, Joseph? Maybe we should be calling you Amy Joseph now. Let's come in. Quick.
You move it
We move it.
to the next level.
We move it to the next level. So we'll put 9 there. Does that make sense? Focus, Michael. Focus, because you missed some stuff. Now, let's check. Can 2 divide any of the numbers that we have in the next level?
Yes.
Which one? 1 divided by 2. Can you divide 1 by 2?
No.
No, you can't. 1 cannot be divided by anything. Do you understand? 1 cannot be divided by anything from itself. So we cannot use 2 to divide any of the numbers that we have. So what do we do to 2 now, guys? We ditch it. What I say we do?
Ditch it.
Sorry, bye 2. See you later. Then what do? We go on and look at 3. Can 3 divide any of the numbers? Abela, please focus on your task, please. Thank you. Can 3 divide any of the number that we've got here?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that means we're going to use 3 now. Hey. Now use 3. Good. 3 divided by 3, what would that give me?
1.
1. Can I divide 1 by 3 again? No. So what do? I move it down to the next level. Can I divide 9 by 3?
Yeah.
Did someone say no?
3, 6, 9.
9. So I can divide 9 by 3. So how many 3 can I get in 9? 9 divided by 3 will give me what? 3. Well done. Naomi, are you there? All right. So let's look. The numbers we have now, can we divide? Put that bottle down, please. It's not a toy. Can we divide any one of the numbers that we have in this next level by 3? Because 3 is the one we're using. Can we divide any one of them by 3? Can we divide any one of them by 3?
Yeah.
And which one can we divide by 3, Michael?
3. 5 by 3 with 5.
Michael, you're not paying attention. Yeah, I see you playing with your hand, resting position. These are the numbers that we're looking at. Can we divide any of these numbers at this level by 3?
No.
Yeah.
Is 3 not divisible by 3, Michael?
Yes.
Yes, we can. So that means we can still use what? 3. Can we divide 1 by 3?
No.
What do I do to that 1?
6.
No.
Move it down to
Move it down to the next level. The only thing we ditch is the prime. Other numbers, we always move them down to the what? Next level. Modular, remove your hand from your mouth. Resting position is not cover your mouth. Speak when I'm asking questions, please. Can we divide 1 by 3, guys?
No.
No.
So we're moving down to the next. Can we divide 3 by 3, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
And 3 divided by 3 will give me what? 1. Now, can someone read? Naomi, read step 6 for me, please. Read step 6. What does step 6 say? It's on the board.
We must stop when all the numbers have been reduced to ones.
Oh, has all the numbers been reduced to 1s?
Yes.
So we can do what? Stop. Now, let me now tell you, how do we find our LCM? I believe someone should be able to guess. How do we find our LCM now? Yes, Ujola?
Oh, got it.
Our LCM is all those prime that are inside that box. What do? We multiply them by one another. So my LCM is what? 2. I've taken the first one times what? 2. I've taken the next one times what? 3. I've taken that one times what? 3. 2 times 2 times 3
12.
times 3.
36.
So the LCM of 6, 4, and 9 is what? 36. The LCM of 6, 4, and 9 is what? 36. Everyone quickly copy that one down in your note, and then we'll quickly do one more example. Copy it down quickly in your notes. Quick. Speedily, please. You don't need to use a ruler. Copy it down in your notes. He is not Picasso. Aiden, please be quick. Quick.
I'm quite finished.
I finished junk.
Who is humming? Who is that humming? Amy, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Those of you that are joining from home, when you finish, just write down in the chat so I know you've finished. Let's be quick. Let's be quick. Those of you that have finished, look over your work and make sure you try and understand exactly what has been done. Yeah? Look over it and look at the step. Look over it and look at the step.
I'll just
All right. Everyone should be done by now because we're moving on. Everyone should be done. Is anyone still writing? Is anyone still writing? Okay, be quick because we're moving on, Michael. Yes? Can you hold it? Okay, then better be quick because you're going to miss out. All right. Farida, did I ask you to stand up? Why are you moving about? Stand up and remain standing. You see, you don't want to learn. Okay? That's fine. Yes, Naomi.
It won't let me type in the chat.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Are you done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's quickly go. Yes, what? You done? All right. Let's quickly go on to the next example. Yeah, and I can be able to give you guys one to do on your own. So question number 2 of B says find the LCM of 5, 15, and 5, 15, and 6. No, don't write anything down yet. Just wait, listen, and learn. Yeah, rest in position, everybody. Rest in position. All right. So what is the first step again, Naomi? What do we do as the first step?
Make the grid for your given numbers.
Thank you very much. How many numbers are we given, Cameron?
3.
3. So how many lines do I need for that, Jojo?
You need 4.
4. Thank you very much. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure that all parents that child don't need to wait behind. I've got the message in mind because it's on here. Instructions here. Yes. Quick. So let's put the numbers in there. Let's put the numbers in there. Coming. Yes, thank you. So we have 5, 15, and 6. Thank you.